All right, so today we are looking at this mandala window cling kit. It's summertime and some people get bored over the summertime, so we look for things to keep them occupied that are creative. And this seemed like a home run. So we got it. Let me show you what comes in the box. So you've got all these really cool different designs that you can color, and then it comes with a bunch of markers and a book that shows you like ways that you can color. Of course, you don't have to follow that, but it shows different possibilities. All right, and here is the artist. What have you done so far?
I've done a hummingbird, and the markers made it look really pretty, so I'm kind of proud of it.
And you put it on your window already, but your blinds are closed, so we have to go outside to see it. But it was fun. How long did it take?
About 30 minutes.
You're amazing. All right, let's go look at it. So here it is from the outside. It doesn't look quite as awesome as the inside when the sun's coming through, but right now it's dark, so this is the best you get to see. But it's been a really cool kit so far.